Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good evening, everyone. This is Ziva Masundani, and I would like to say welcome you all on my Positive Life session number 7. And today we have a very special guest, very young, talented guy with me. His name is Arsal Javed, and we will discuss a lot of things about his business, his personal life, and don't go away because you are going to enjoy this session because he's young and he's exciting and he has done enormous, done a lot of exciting things when it comes to Facebook marketing, social media marketing, because in the previous couple of interviews or three interviews we did, it was more of affiliate marketing and click funnels and all that, and today we'll be focusing mostly on Facebook marketing because that's where Arcel has got the expertise. So, guys, stay tuned, and I'm very excited to have Arsal Javed on board. Arsal Javed, how are you, man?
I am fine, man. First of all, thank you for having me here. Like, it's an honor. So, thank you so much for
Yeah.
having me here. I'm really excited about it.
Okay, great. I'm equally excited, even more excited, because I see a lot of over here in Pakistan. I see we have a different. I would say that the people who should not be a role model or a hero. We have made wrong heroes for our young generation. So people like you are, should be become hero and should be promoted, and because you guys are doing excellent work. So Arshal, as we decided that we are going to keep shuffling in both languages, right? So tell us about your personal thing. Like, are you the eldest one in the family? And how is your education? Where do you live? Something personal, okay? So
Okay,
that people need
so
to know.
yeah, man. So, I'm the youngest one. I'm the spoiled one. So, basically, I was doing my graduation. I just gave my
Uh-huh.
exams like last month. I gave my exams, and now officially I'm a graduate. And
Okay.
and I've started my like I will like to tell my backstory that how I got started and how I came where
Okay.
to the point where I am actually. So back in
Okay.
2015, I had an operation, like it was a kidney operation. I lost my one kidney, and
Oh,
uh,
that.
like it was a disgusting time because as a like by then I was just 15-year-old kid, and
Mhm.
I I know the struggle of my parents, what they did for me. Like
Mhm.
my operation was in Islamabad, so I live in Sargodha. So we had to travel every week to Islamabad for checkup and for follow up and for operation everything. And my parents were struggling. They did so much for me, and I just wanted to make them proud. And I just couldn't wait to get a job and everything. So I just wanted to make them proud. So I was looking for an opportunity to find a perfect
Mhm.
moment, and I knew that I couldn't wait for 25 years to complete my education, then to get a
Okay.
job, and then to prove something. So I just wanted to make them proud by
Mhm.
doing something. So
Mhm.
I met RJ Ahmed like in 2000, back in 2018 at the end of the year, and then I started
Mhm.
basically. I was looking for perfect moment, and when I got the moment, I didn't miss it, and I
Mhm.
like after 21 days, I was in personal coaching with him, and I was just waiting for the moment. I on the perfect moment, I used that opportunity and started out, and I started as an affiliate marketer. I was basically
Okay.
promoting. I started with personal coaching, then I did one funnel away challenge. After that, I was promoting one funnel away challenge, and then
Mhm.
like after a while, I was looking for some other opportunity, like to serve actual business owners. So I got into Facebook ad service. Like I just wanted to build my own agency. I got into
Okay.
Facebook ads, and then I started Facebook ads, and now I am here.
Perfect, man. This actually gives me a goosebump, and I'm pumped. I'm excited. The reason is that because he has faced the struggle. He has faced that his father and family has faced some tough challenges, and he said that his kidneys replaced. So this is painful moment. And
Absolutely.
tell you what, these are painful moments are especially given to you so that you can utilize, you can make that mess into a message, and that becomes your power. That's your superpower. And I believe I'm very happy for you that you made your father, your family proud, and now you are doing your own Facebook ad agency. So tell us more about that, uh, about what exactly you do and who are your customers and what turnovers are you getting from local and international market.
So basically, my ideal customers are basically I have niche I already would discuss. So I would like to tell our audience like basic my niche is real estate and fitness. I am helping real estate business owners and fitness business owners to bring heaps of customers using Facebook ads. So that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
And my ideal customers are those who are looking for new customers and who are actually kind to me, who are basically like I'm getting
Mhm.
them results and they should reward me accordingly. So this is what
Okay.
I'm actually doing right now. This is my agencies for like for basically Facebook ads.
Okay. And what turnover are you getting in terms of revenue, so
In
that
terms of
people know?
revenue, it's like wearing basically the sometimes we usually like I'll be transparent in front of you. Usually we sometimes we hit 1K and from sometimes we hit even 5K. So this is how our turnover is actually.
Okay, that's quite good at this age. So tell us about your age. What exactly it is?
I'm actually 20 years old. No one
So
believes, but I'm actually 20 years old now.
20 years old. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
You see, in this, especially sports people, to talk about stars, they hide their age. So,
Yeah, yeah, man, absolutely.
yeah, now you are, mashallah, you are also a star. So again, you are keeping it real. So that's the main thing, right? So what was the initial struggle? See, you did your graduation, and in what subject is what, commerce or
Uh,
science or
yeah, in commerce. Basically, I did my graduation in commerce.
graduation commerce? And then what struggle you have gone through? Because we would like to know the struggle, because uh, for people they think that it's all very easy. So tell us about the struggle that you faced when you started the business.
When is actually the whole journey is struggle. Like I still remember the days when I was basically lying on charpai with my brother and I was literally crying because nothing was working. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
my from start I didn't know anything. Like I just wanted to buy a
Mm-hmm.
domain and I didn't know how to buy a domain even. So my cards weren't working. I was trying my best to do something like to do literally uh, a struggle like literally everything was struggle like from buying a domain getting click funnels doing
Mm-hmm.
everything was struggle like in everything it was a pain and because I didn't know anything about technology and stuff like that so everything was struggle so like nothing is easy like the first step everyone says the first step is the difficult one so this is how it is like in Pakistan there are no opportunities. You have to deal with everything. You have to find the loophole, and that's how I did it.
Okay. Well, hats off to you, and very, very good luck. And tell us about the first aha moment, like when
First,
you got something, first small success that gives you, first $100, $50, whatever it is, first success that is,
first,
that changed the momentum.
okay. So basically, I it took me 6 months to make my first sale, and to
Uh-huh.
make my first OFA sale. Before that, I was basically uh, promoting one funnel away challenge, but it took me 6 months to make my first sale. And after the first sale, in the very
Okay.
first month, I was able to do 4 or 5 sales, and I did private. Basically calling as well, and I made that money, good money from that as well. But my first moment was when I sold my first OFA challenge. And my second, actually my first moment can be when I found first client for my agency. It was like 2 days, it took me 2 days to sign my first uh, uh, client for my agency. And it was like I was so happy. I wasn't that much happy throughout my life, that I found my first client in like just 2 days. So that was, you can say, my first aha moment.
Okay. And was that client from local market or international market?
Can you please repeat?
Yeah, sure. Was the first client was for international market or the local market?
Yeah, yeah. She was from international market, and
Okay.
I just got in a contact with her, and I just proposed him that what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna implement for her, or she can either implement for her, or either she can hire me to implement for her. And when she saw the
Mhm.
strategies, she was like, "Yeah, I can walk with you," and that's how I signed her.
Okay, okay. So you signed her for the project, and you did first agency work for her,
Yeah.
and you made all the campaigns and all that, Facebook advertisement, uh, like up and running for her. And then how did it well? I mean, how did go went? I mean, was it
It went
successful
amazing.
for her?
Like, yeah, yeah, it was successful, and we were able to make
Mhm.
so many sales, so many leads for her, and she was happy with that.
Okay, okay, okay. So you said that you are I mean, the the smallest in your family, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
okay, okay. So have you got any? Have you submitted any proposal, or have you got any
Uh,
proposal?
Proposal, yeah, 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 yeah.
Have you got a proposal?
Yeah, yeah. I got a proposal,
असल में
and
उर्दू में थोड़ा सा मैं इसको स्विच बैक करते हैं, मोड थोड़ा सा करते हैं कि जब भी
जी, जी,
बच्चा
श्योर.
जब थोड़ा कमाना शुरू कर देता है ना, तो सबसे पहला काम जो पेरेंट का ही होता है कि यार उस बच्चे की शादी कर दो। ठीक है,
नहीं,
तो
नहीं,
क्या वो
अभी
मोमेंट आ गया?
नहीं, नहीं. अभी तक ऐसा सीन नहीं हुआ. और
या अभी
सेकेंडली,
आपसे बड़े और बहुत सारे हैं?
हाँ,
अच्छा।
सेकेंडली एक वो सिस्टर है, उनका हो गया.
हाँ,
मेरे बड़े भाई हैं और मैं सबसे छोटा हूँ, तो अभी पेरेंट्स मतलब उस तरह कोई कह नहीं रहे. लेकिन सून आई विल गिव यू गुड न्यूज एज वेल.
अच्छा, अच्छा। चलो, गुड है, गुड है। Okay. So, how crucial was one funnel away challenge for you? And for me, it was, I mean, life changing. Life changing means I've got totally different perspective. So, tell us
Okay,
about your experience.
so actually, one funnel away challenge was life changing for me as well. Like, after that, I joined basically 1,000 $2,000 courses as well. और जो 2,000 courses में जो coaches थे, वो भी रसल ब्रंसन की बातें repeat कर रहे होते थे. Hook story offer, like, when I got into Facebook ad
Mhm.
mastery course, he was all the main topic was on hook story offer, that how you can make sales using hook story offer. So that's how I related one funnel away challenge to anyone. And like, first, one funnel away challenge is the base. Like, if anyone, like in my team, in my community, जिसने भी स्टार्ट आउट किया उसने वन फनल अवे चैलेंज से ही स्टार्ट आउट किया. बिकॉज बेसिक आपकी एक जो फाउंडेशन है, क्योंकि बेसिक आपकी चीजें जो हैं फाउंडेशन है. अगर आपकी फाउंडेशन सेट है,
Mhm.
तो आप मतलब कि कुछ भी अचीव कर
बिल्कुल।
सकते हैं. तो फाउंडेशन के लिए वन फनल अवे चैलेंज इज द बेस्ट वन. बिकॉज वो स्टार्ट होता है बिलीफ से. और बिलीफ जब आपके अंदर आ जाता है, आप जब अपने आप के अंदर बिलीव करने लग जाते हैं, तो उस बिलीफ के बाद आता है एक्शन. कि आप जब बिलीव कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद आप एक्शन लेते हैं, और एक्शन अगर आपका
Mhm.
राइट है, तो आपको मतलब कि उसका रिजल्ट मिलने लग जाता है. और अगर आप करेक्शन
बिल्कुल।
मतलब आप रोंग कर भी रहे हैं, तो परफेक्शन इतनी मैटर नहीं करती, क्योंकि जो आपकी ऑडियंस है, वो भी ह्यूमन है. वो भी आपके जैसे लोग हैं, और वो देखते हैं कि वो भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. तो जब वो देख रहे होते हैं कि ये बंदा हसल कर रहा है, स्ट्रगल कर रहा है, और हमारे साथ ट्रांसपेरेंट है, ऑनेस्ट है, तो वो आपसे मतलब कि बाय भी करते हैं, और मतलब आपके इकोसिस्टम के अंदर भी रहते हैं बाद में.
हम्म, सही है। अच्छा, मेंटोरशिप के बारे में बताएं। आपने बताया कि अहमद की आपने ट्रेनिंग ली, और उसके
जी।
बाद फिर जब आप फेसबुक एड एडवर्टीजमेंट की तरफ आए तो आपने आपकी मेंटोर कौन है?
Basically, first mentor I consider RJ Ahmed because the in circumstances and conditions I met him, it was like crazy. मेरा कोई mindset नहीं था, मुझे कोई
हम्म,
directions नहीं थी. So I started. It's a huge shout out to him. Like I know when he will be free, he will be watching this live. So huge shout out to you, bro. So उसको उसको जब मैं मिला, स्टिल कंसीडर कि अगर उसको मैं ना मिला होता तो मैं शायद, मेरा माइंडसेट था लेकिन एक डायरेक्शन नहीं थी. तो डायरेक्शन आरजे की वजह से मुझे मिली. एक्सपोजर मेरा बड़ा कम्युनिटी के अंदर आया, तो उसके अलावा और चीज़ों का पता लगा. फिर जब मैंने मूव किया एफिलिएट से एड्स के ऊपर, तो मेरा माइंडसेट बहुत अच्छा था. मुझे क्या
हम्म,
कहते हैं, प्रोफेशनलिज्म था मेरे अंदर. ठीक है, उसके बाद मुझे कस्टमर के साथ, क्लाइंट के साथ बात करना आता था. मेरे अंदर इनफ कॉन्फिडेंस था कि मैं कॉल के अंदर उसको कन्वर्ट कर सकूं. तो mentorship is one of the most important things. Second mentor I consider Iman Gaji. So he is a 20-year-old kid as well, and he is making 100K. His agency is making 100K in profit every single month. और अगर कोई एजेंसी के
वाह,
लिए मूव करना चाहते हैं अपनी प्राइवेट एजेंसी के लिए, तो आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड एजेंसी इंक्यूबेटर. उसका कोर्स है, लाइक इट्स द
हम्म,
बेस्ट वन ऑन एजेंसी. उसके अलावा थर्ड मेंटोर जो
हम्म,
फेसबुक एड्स के लिए, आई कंसिडर कैट होवल. बेसिकली शी इज क्लिक फनल्स कॉमा क्लब सी विनर एज वेल. सो
वाह.
लाइक एड्स के लिए शी इज द बेस्ट वन. सो दीज आर द थ्री पीपल दैट आई कंसिडर माय मेंटोर.
I think you are missing one.
Which one?
I think you. I just. I think a couple of hours back you mentioned one guy, one name. I think Obad also mentioned something.
Yeah, Ubaid was the
There's
one. He
one.
helped me with literally anything, everything. Basically, when I didn't have the money, he paid for my courses. He paid for everything, and like he is one of
Mhm.
the guy, like uh, जिसने मेरी इतनी हेल्प की, like I can't explain. With everything, with mindset, I still remember the nights when we cried, like sales नहीं हो रही, ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा. तो like
Mm.
huge shout out to him as well. Like he helped me with everything, literally everything. I still, if I face any difficulty, I can still call him, bro. This is the thing I'm facing. Come on a call and let's discuss.
Mhm.
So yeah, huge shout out to him as well.
Yeah, he's definitely a go-to guy for help for me as well. They even, I just WhatsApp and whatever a problem I face when, is launching my own funnel or doing something regarding marketing. I always ask advice on WhatsApp and on call.
Mm-hmm.
He's always ready to
Mm-hmm.
help. So this is
Yeah.
what mentorship is all about, guys. Can you believe that this guy is 20 years of age, he started his own agency, dealing with international customers, and he's done graduation, simple graduation in commerce, right? Because at this age, what usually other people do is they hang out, they waste time, they just don't look into the future what exactly how it is going on, and they just waste time, they waste their lives. So guys,
Absolutely.
here is a role model for you guys. If you're young and you want someone to become like him, so he has faced enormous challenges, and this is not easy job. This is tough, but it's worth it. It's worth it, guys. So let's move on to our next topic. Now we will be discussing about Facebook, right? पहले तो
Yeah.
ये बताएं कि यार फेसबुक क्या वाकई सुनता है हमारी बात?
फेसबुक डेफिनेटली
क्योंकि
आजकल
मैंने
जैसे
जब भी ऐड की
मार्केटिंग.
बात जी
So let's
जी
talk
बताएं.
about, first of all, let's talk about Facebook algorithm. Like
ओके.
most of the people are having difficulty, they are not able to make sales because of they don't understand Facebook algorithm. So थोड़ा सा
ओके.
डिस्कस करते हैं ताकि मतलब बाद में कोई इशू ना बने इसका. तो
हाँ.
सबसे पहले तो आपको फेसबुक एल्गोरिदम को समझना पड़ता है, लाइक हाउ डज इट वर्क्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ
ओके.
ऑल, इफ यू आर चैटिंग विद समवन on daily basis, Facebook will show your posts to them. Okay.
हम्म,
So
हम्म,
आपको ये चीज अंडरस्टैंड करनी पड़ती है, जो लोग आपको आपके क्लोज हैं, जिनको आप
हम्म,
जानते हैं, जिनके साथ आपका इंटरेक्शन, आपकी पोस्ट उनको नजर आएंगी ऑर्गेनिकली है, मतलब कि बेसिकली जो लोग
right.
ऑर्गेनिक कर रहे हैं. सो सेकेंडली आपको यह है कि आपको दूसरों की पोस्ट्स के अंदर इंगेज होना पड़ेगा। अगर आप उनकी पोस्ट्स के अंदर इंगेज होंगे तो फेसबुक आपकी पोस्ट्स उनको दिखाएगा। तो अगर आप जितने, स्पेंसर मेकम यूज्ड टू से, कि जितने आईबॉल्स होंगे आपकी पोस्ट के ऊपर, उतने लोग बाय करेंगे, उतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज होंगी आपको कि लोग आपसे बाय करें। तो लाइक यू हैव टू एंगेज इन द पीपल पोस्ट। और आपकी जब पोस्ट आप करें तो make sure, like I learned this from big biz bros, like, and Ubaid Anjam as well, like he's using memes to get engagement. So your post should be something that triggers the emotion of your audience. Like for example, I am facing with, let's say I'm not getting leads with Facebook. So if someone says how I got leads, I was at this point, I was at X point where I was not getting leads, and मैं Y point पे आया, क्या करके, ये चीज करके जब मैं X point पे होऊंगा मैं रिलेट करूंगा कि हाँ यार, मैं भी, ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, मुझे इसकी भी आ रही थी, इसने ऐसे किया तो मैं करूंगा, मैं भी आऊंगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल थैंक हिम इन कमेंट सेक्शन एंड देन आई विल इम्प्लीमेंट, एंड इफ आई विल गेट द रिजल्ट देन आई विल अगेन basically give him a testimonial or shout out, and that's how it works. So people have to understand the Facebook algorithms. You have to engage, you have to basically trigger the emotions. That's how Facebook will work. And make sure to unfriend all of the people who are not engaging in your posts, because Facebook will show your post to 7 people first. Then if they won't engage in your post, then Facebook will basically, you can say, demonetize your post, and it won't be showing to other people. Then again, if they are engaging, then Facebook will show your posts to other people. So that's how the system works, and maybe it will help so much to those people who are doing organic. And for basically paid, for paid basically paid का पहले तो बहुत आसान था फेसबुक पे सारा कुछ करना। अब लाइक दे मेड इट डिफिकल्ट, रिस्ट्रिक्शन बहुत ज्यादा है। मेक मनी ऑनलाइन निश के अंदर बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं। your ad copy should be something that is not basically targeting any kind of people. रेसिज्म से रिलेट करें अगर हम, तो उसका कोई मतलब किसी भी सेंस में ना आए, क्योंकि फेसबुक एल्गोरिदम इज सो मच इंटेलिजेंट, they know how to work। और फेसबुक में बेसिकली यू डोंट हैव टू बेसिकली बट यू कैन से, आप उन लोगों को टारगेट नहीं कर सकते। कुछ सेंस में ऐसा भी हो रहा है, जो आपकी टारगेट ऑडियंस है आप उनको डायरेक्ट टारगेट भी नहीं कर सकते। सो यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द इकोसिस्टम, हाउ इट वर्क्स। लाइक नो वन कम्स ऑन फेसबुक टू बाय समथिंग, लाइक लेट्स से यू डोंट कम टू फेसबुक टू बाय शूज। ओके, अगर आप गूगल के ऊपर शूज सर्च कर रहे हो, ब्लू शूज, लेट्स से ब्लू शूज, तो इट्स ऑल राइट, आप गूगल के ऊपर सर्च कर सकते हैं। लेकिन आप कभी, लाइक देयर आर एक्सेप्शंस, कुछ लोग होते हैं, there are always exceptions, लेकिन most of the time 90% it's like no one comes on Facebook to buy anything. So you have to trigger the emotions of the people through memes, through your backstory, through anything that people will buy your stuff. Okay, same work for ad and same work for organic. So you just have to understand the ecosystem, you just have to understand the mentality of your audience, and you just have to trigger the emotions, because no one open Facebook to buy stuff.
Exactly. So, for example, let's say I'm your customer, okay, and I'm a business manager, right? And I run
Yeah.
the business of let's say generator, right? And I would like to
Okay.
launch a campaign, Facebook campaign to
Okay.
target it to Karachi market. And
Okay.
what advice would you give, and how do you classify? And then what exactly will you do?
First of all, we just have to understand what problems people are facing. Like people are facing problem of load shedding. Okay, so let's
Okay.
say
Right.
there is so much load shedding in Karachi, बहुत ज़्यादा load shedding है, और people want solution. Like first of all, you are not selling a product, you are selling a solution. So
Solution.
people don't buy
Right.
products, they buy solutions. Okay, so load shedding is a
Right.
problem. You are providing solution, and you are giving a irresistible offer. They are buying, let's say generator is for 50,000, and one time offer is they are buying it for, let's say, 40,000, something like that. So first of all they got a
Mhm.
product, like first of all they got a solution, like this is the solution, it's a good offer, and you have to basically, for every product it works. You don't have to say it's a blue color generator, it's this much horsepower, it uses
Mhm.
this process, like it
Mhm.
has the terms that are technical, जो audience को समझ नहीं
Mhm.
आएंगी। ठीक है,
Technical
they
jargon.
are lazy people, our audience is lazy people who just want a solution to their problems, they don't want to go from technicality. So it should be something precise that is it can contain a story as well, like how this product
Mhm.
can resolve their issue. You are a business owner and you can make sales. You are unable to connect to internet, and you cannot turn your laptop on because of electricity. You don't have power. So this is
Mhm.
a problem.
Mhm.
This is a solution to your problem. And for limited time, it's like
Mhm.
60. It's like 50% off. So if you will click on the link below, we are giving you a one time offer as well, like it will be delivered to your doorstep, and we will give you 7 day or 2 weeks, you can say, warranty. You can check it out. If it's working fine for you, then go for it. Otherwise, our basically employee will come to your doorstep and take will give your money back, and take our product. You don't have to even basically go to the market as well. So it is basically solving so many problems, electricity problem.
Right.
Basically, the doubts they are facing, they know that they will be able to refund it after 7 days or 2 weeks. So, and they don't have to go to market. They don't have to go to basically compare different type of generators. They don't have to use their energy. They are busy entrepreneur. They are business owners. So like it's all about audience, to make them a offer that they really want, because we have to understand that people are lazy. They don't want to do anything. So we have to do anything for
They
everything for
want-
them.
oh my God. I mean, this answer is unbelievable. I mean, I was not expecting so much detail that you have provided, and this it's full of marketing knowledge that this 20 years guy has, and it's all application. And you don't need to do MBA to get this kind of knowledge. This is practical knowledge and mind blowing. I'm really impressed. So, where I mean, as a business manager, what I would say, I would sign you up an agreement, and where to sign the agreement, and then start running your ad and make money, man, and make me money as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, man.
Good
So
job, man.
another thing,
Yeah,
like we
good
don't
job.
have to, the most biggest mistake that agency owners or other people, everyone, like I see everyone, they are doing it. They create a course and then ask people how I can market it. So the
Right.
marketing is the biggest thing, and creating something is the, you can say, small part of that. First, we have to realize the
Mm-hmm.
problems of the market. Then you have to consider,
Right.
then you have to build yourself as a trusted guy, who is trusted by
Mm-hmm.
everyone, who can give you a suggestion, and then people will buy. It's a three-step process. First of all, problems, like problems they are facing,
Mm-hmm.
you have to be a
Right.
trusted guy that everyone trusts.
Right.
Like for example, you are basically you want to buy a product that will make you money using funnel, let's say. So I'm a trusted guy, you trust me,
Mm-hmm.
everyone in the market trust me, I will suggest you to buy one funnel away challenge. And then you as you trust me, everyone trusts me, so they will buy one
Mm-hmm.
funnel away challenge. And so like it's a win-win offer for you, because you found what you were looking for. Win-win offer for
Mm-hmm.
me, because let's say I was just promoting that stuff, and like win-win
Mm-hmm.
offer for everyone. So we just have to realize the problems that market is facing. Then
Right.
you have to be a basically trusted guy and suggest
Right. Right.
and make money.
Right, guys. There is a concept which is called "be the product of the product." Right, and here
Yeah,
we have Aksal Javed. He is a product of the product. He is real example of what one funnel away can do for you. I mean, this guy is amazing, man. I really enjoy talking with him. I really admire what he's doing at this age, and best of luck, man. Keep doing. And one more thing, guys. These people like him should be promoted. People like him should be invited to some platform like TEDx, something like that. Maybe we can create some platform for young TEDx, something like that. Maybe
absolutely,
where
man.
actually the young generation, they don't have the right ideas, and once they don't see the right ideals, you know they are not going to make become a great person. So let's move on. So tell us about how much time do you spend on Facebook?
Like man, I usually don't spend more than let's be honest.
Yeah.
I'm scrolling down to Facebook most of the time of my day. I deleted Instagram, I deleted TikTok, I deleted all of the you can say applications that were distraction for me. And everyone who is watching it, everyone make sure to uninstall Instagram or TikTok right now. If you are getting leads from Instagram, that's cool. If you are using it
Yeah.
productively, that's cool. But let's be honest with our own self. If you are not getting leads, if you are wasting your time, just whenever you are listening to this, make sure to
Mhm.
do it on first place. If you really want to make an impact, if really want to be successful. And TikTok is one of the I just can't explain how much I hate that
Yeah.
application. It's just sucks your time.
Yeah.
TikTok is banned in Pakistan, people are using VPN to use TikTok, so it doesn't make a difference. So make sure to uninstall that application right away. Like it should be your first priority
Okay.
to uninstall TikTok.
Mhm. Well, to be honest, when I see some people, some marketing guys, not from here in Pakistan, but some international guys, they actually advised and they said this is the next mini YouTube kind of thing, and this is the next coming platform where everything, marketing will be done. So I
Yeah, yeah.
made it, and I start watching the content of local guys, and
Mhm.
I really literally I never turned it on again. And I see a lot of notification. I followed like 20 odd people, and five people only follow me. But it was just to test what exactly is going on.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Man,
Even people are
the
making
content
20K in
there
a
was
week
absolutely no
from
content.
TikTok. Yeah, yeah.
See,
People are
making money is again not the core objective. See, people make
absolutely.
money if it's not halal, it's not good, right? So
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
once again, we have to understand the basic. We have to go with the basic, whatever the our core beliefs are. If we make money and if we hurt somebody, if we cheat somebody, if we stay away from our core beliefs, that's wrong. That's you're not going to make. I mean, how much money you are going to take away when you're not alive? Like how and that and we have seen a lot of people making false money, and that go down, waste. They just
Absolutely.
waste all the time,
Absolutely.
right?
So, man, I just want to add
So
something to it as well.
okay,
Like when you are selling
that's not true.
unethical product, people will buy from you. They won't get value, and they will basically move away. Let's say if you buy something ethical from me, it's just for $7. You bought from me, you got value, you made money, you made impact,
Hmm.
and then you will come to me, bro. This was amazing. I want to buy something more. I will sell you $100 course. Then again, same thing will happen. Then I will sell you $1,000. Then I will sell you 10,000. Then I will sell you 100,000. Like you got results, you got everything. So this is how
Exactly.
it works. Okay, so it gives like it's there are two aspects. You are keeping people in your ecosystem first of all. Secondly, you are basically providing them value. They are coming back to you. You have
Mhm.
impact, you have money. Like this is the thing, these are the things that you want, and yeah, you have it. So yeah.
Okay. So, what advice would you give to young people who are watching? Any advice which you would like to give?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, man. There are basically, I thought I will give you three advices, like the people who are watching, because these were the things that these were the mistakes you can say I made. So
Mhm.
basically, this is how these are the advice that I want to give. First thing is the mindset. If you are not making money, then it's all right. You are basically
Mhm.
progressing. You are basically learning something every single day. So don't
Mhm.
consider money as a reward. If you have impact on anyone's life, it's cool. If you are
Right.
helping someone for free, it's cool, like you are having an impact. Second thing is like
Mhm.
niche down, or you can say focus on one thing. Like I see, as you might also know, most of the people, they are doing everything. They are doing YouTube, they are doing Facebook, they are using YouTube ads, they are using
Mhm.
Facebook ads, they are doing chatbots, they are doing basically Facebook organic, they are trying to do everything. Let me give you an example for this. Let's say you work in a restaurant, and the
Mhm.
restaurant owner wants you to do everything, to make everything: Thai food,
Mhm.
Pakistani food, Chinese food, Italian food, everything. So you won't be able to make any food. Like, you will
Right.
be basically learning, and you won't be able to make food. Let's say he says you can simply go for Pakistani food. Then there are so many dishes in Pakistani food: barbecue, and there are so many, like I just can't name all of them. And then again he said you
Yes.
can simply go for biryani, and there are so many biryanis as well: Karachi biryani, Bombay biryani, Sindhi biryani,
Mhm.
like there are so many. And he simply says, you just
Mhm.
have to focus on, let's say, Karachi biryani. So if you are just making Karachi biryani,
Mhm.
uh, you will have the best taste, and basically you will be able to please the customers. You will be the best, you can say, cook. And basically your restaurant would be famous because of that one product, and there are so many people that will come to your restaurant just to buy that stuff. And let's say there are other cooks who are making other foods, and basically restaurant owner says, your waiter says, basically when someone is eating biryani, he can say, भाई आपने ये ट्राई किया हमारी बिरयानी, आपको बहुत पसंद है, आप दूसरा फूड भी ट्राई करें. सो बहुत
Mhm.
मतलब उस सेंस में बहुत लोग आपके दूसरे
Mhm.
फूड्स, जो दूसरे कुक्स जिनमें एक्सपर्ट हैं, उनको मतलब के आप एक तो उनको वैल्यू बिरयानी
Mhm.
से मिली, तो बाकी आप जो फूड्स जो दूसरे कुक जिनमें एक्सपर्ट हैं, वो वाला
Mhm.
फूड भी आप लोगों को देके अपनी और मतलब वैल्यू बढ़ा सकते हैं अपने
Mhm.
रेस्टोरेंट की. और इससे तीसरी एग्जांपल जो मैं देना चाहता हूँ, लोगों को टीम बिल्डिंग. Like most of the people don't basically understand the concept of team building. Let's say
Mhm.
I'm Facebook ad expert, Obad is funnel expert, and other guy is chatbot expert. Let's say Moin, because he is chat expert, chatbot expert. So basically, I can charge for
Mhm.
my, you can say, my service that I'm providing, and the services I'm
Expertise.
not providing, I can send them to my friend. Like, it's
Mhm.
a team building. So you are basically making money. The same example, like
Exactly.
biryani example. I am expert in biryani, but I am offering food
Mhm.
to like Thai food, Chinese food to my customers because my friends are expert
Mhm.
in that. So in that way, basically my
Mhm.
team will
Right.
be able to make money. My client will get so much value from me,
Mhm.
and he will be basically remain in my ecosystem forever. So team building is one of the most important part.
Mhm.
You can outsource, and you can basically get best people. You can be friends with them. They will be able to promote your services. You will be able to promote their services. So I see so many people, they leave so much
Mhm.
money on the table because they don't have a team. So team building is one of the primest and most important thing. It's when you are doing Facebook marketing in overall marketing.
So guys, this is entrepreneurship जो है उसको एक उन्होंने बिल्कुल पूजे में जो है ना बंद कर दिया. ठीक है, और इतने वैल्यूबल एडवाइस दी है कि यू हैव टू बी स्पेशलिस्ट इन वन सर्विस, one product
Absolutely.
or one skill. This is what exactly I promote कि आप कोई अपना एक फोर्टे बनाए. एक फोर्टे जब तक नहीं बनाएंगे ना, मीन्स कि आपका कोई एक पैशन है अंदर जो कि आपको अपना फोर्टे बनाना है और उससे फिर हटना नहीं है. तो
बिल्कुल
दैट
ऐसे.
जो अभी अफसल ने बताया कि भाई अगर आप इधर उधर होते हैं ना, डिविएट होते हैं कि यार इफ यू ट्राई टू डू सो मेनी थिंग्स यू गेट कंफ्यूज. तो आपने एक अपना फोर्टे बनाना है और उस फोर्टे के साथ ये नहीं कि आपने फिर अकेले सिंगल ही लेके चलना है. नहीं, you build up a team, you collaborate with people who are experts in different areas, work as a team, get the business, and each of the team member gets his share. So this is the powerful lesson of entrepreneurship that we are getting from young Aksal Javed. And literally, I'm telling you that I suffered from it, uh, right from whenever I try to do something. So this is what happened. I try to do something. I want to be an entrepreneur, and then a challenge comes up, and then I started to deviate from my focus, and then try to do something else, and then it's also called what exactly it is mind. You just keep changing your focus, and you don't get anything done, right? So, guys, this is so valuable
Absolutely.
information that Arshad Javed has given from his experience, and it's all because of the community and the people he is in touch with. So when he says that delete your contact means don't have to be delete negative people from your circle. Live in because your circle actually defines you. आपके जो
Absolutely.
लोग हैं, जिन लोगों के साथ आप उठते बैठते हैं, उनके उनके जैसे ही आप जो है वो बन जाते हैं. ये आपकी जो कंपनी है वही वैसे ही आप बन जाते हैं, राइट? So this is very valuable information shared by Arshal Javed. तो अर्शल मुझे ये बताएं कि थोड़ा सा अब पढ़ाई की तरफ भी आए थे कि आपने उसके बाद फिर दोबारा अपनी पढ़ाई शुरू करी है अभी ये चल रही है साथ साथ ये क्या हो रहा है?
इट डिपेंड्स लाइक मैं एक साल तो अब स्किप करूंगा लाइक मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज फाउंडेशन सो आई जस्ट हैव टू सेट माय
हम्म.
फाउंडेशंस आई जस्ट हैव टू ऑटोमेट माय बिजनेस सो फॉर
हम्म.
दैट आई विल स्किप 1 ईयर लाइक ग्रेजुएशन के बाद मास्टर्स का नेक्स्ट था तो अब मास्टर्स में
हम्म.
डिपेंड करता है कि किस चीज में लाइक माय इंटरेस्ट वाज इन आईटी I wanted to do
हम्म.
in IT, but it depends.
हम्म.
Like your education is not like knowing the technical how now of the stuff. Education is all about your behavior, your confidence, your
हम्म.
communication. So if I think education main purpose of education is to teach you that so as we all know our education
हम्म.
system in Pakistan they are not teaching you anything they are
हम्म.
just teaching you how to get numbers they don't even want you to learn
Yes.
the concepts they just want you to cram the whole book and write it down like it is so our education system
Yes, yes.
sucks to be honest like I don't have to lie I will be straightforward so our education system works so if uh, you can say uh, I want if I will want to have prestige to be called as a master degree holder, then I will continue my degree. Otherwise, a graduation would be like more
हम्म.
than enough because the main goal is everyone goal is to make money and to have impact to make money in
ओके.
ethical
आप
way
ये
and to
बताएं
have
कि
impact on the
पाकिस्तान.
market. जी जी.
ओके. तो आप बताएं ट्रैवलिंग की आपने अपार्ट फ्रॉम पंजाब अपने बाहर निकले और आउट ऑफ कंट्री गए ट्रैवल किया है
नहीं नहीं
अभी
अभी तक
कोविड-19 की.
आउट ऑफ कंट्री अभी तक नहीं गया लाइक Obed will be sending me visa to Oman. I will visit him soon. So basically, Punjab ke
उबैद भाई दो
almost every city.
आई थिंक उबैद भाई इज लिसनिंग तो मैंने उनको बोला कि दो कर लेना भाई.
Okay. So I have traveled the whole Punjab. उसके अलावा प्लान्स हैं लाइक
हम्म.
इट्स नॉर्थ में ट्रैवल करने का लेकिन उसके अलावा अभी अपार्ट उसका भी ट्रैवल किया नहीं उस सेंस में लाइक टाइम द बेसिक पर्पस ऑफ दिस बिजनेस इज टू गिव यू टाइम फ्रीडम एंड स्पेस फ्रीडम सो लेकिन वो चीज होती है लाइक कुछ टाइम पीरियड के बाद जब आपने अपनी फाउंडेशन सेट कर ली है तो फाउंडेशन जब तक आपकी सेट नहीं है यू वॉन्ट हैव टाइम फ्रीडम like people say entrepreneurship is for time freedom it's for space freedom it's not it's after you have set your foundations after you have basically sorted everything out after everything like it's a struggle of 2 or 3 years then you can basically have tons of money tons of free time with your family but first you have to hustle first you have to set foundations then everything would be possible so that's the basically entrepreneurship is first of all one of the loneliest and most difficult journey like most of the marketers do and I want to do elaborate this as well like as you see most of the screenshots like I made money when I was basically having lunch with my family I made money when I was basically traveling so these people are like not true to you they work their ass off to make that money and the client send them money when they were basically doing
true,
anything. So don't let them basically
true,
fool you. It's a tough journey. It takes so much time. It takes so much struggle.
true,
Like I spend almost 12 to 16 hours every day on my laptop working on the foundations. So it's not a easy journey. So you will have time and
true.
freedom once you will sort this everything out.
Exactly. So main objective is time freedom and travel freedom, and you have to be independent, right? So
Yeah.
I met one guy, he's my friend, and I saw him struggling. He's doing a lot of things himself. See, I told him, man, for to become an entrepreneur, you have to uh, create backup. I mean, you have to create a team who can do work for you, build a team, and
Hmm.
monitor them, and enjoy time, because this time is, if you're using consuming yourself, and you're not creating your team, then definitely you're going to keep working all of your life, so you're not going
Absolutely.
to enjoy the freedom, right? So
Absolutely.
yeah, right. तो अब मुझे थोड़ा सा ये बताएं कि आप जिस एरिया में रहते हैं, और
Hmm.
जो आपके पुराने दोस्त हैं, पुराने से मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आप अभी तो जिस ऑनलाइन काम में लग गए, तो लोग पुराने जो आपके दोस्त हैं, वो आप उनको टाइम नहीं दे पाते होंगे, तो वो आपसे कुछ हो गए होंगे कि यार ये तो साल तो मुझे अब तो बड़ा आदमी हो गया है, ऐसा होता है?
सो ब्रो मैं इसके
कि यार ये
बारे
तो
में थोड़ा
टाइम ही
इलेबोरेट
नहीं
करता हूँ. लाइक
था।
if your friends are not entrepreneurs, they don't have like minded, they are not like minded then like you. It doesn't depend. Like if they are supporting in your journey, if they are supporting you in your journey, you can have them. But if they are not supporting in your journey, they are always like, bro क्या करता रहता है, छोड़ इसको, ये बाद में भी हो जाएगा, आजा. Like just before this interview I had a call with my friend. He said, bro इधर जाना है तो चले. मैंने कहा no bro, I have an interview. कहता okay, I will wait for you, let me know when interview will be over, then I will join you, then we will go together. So your friends don't need to be enter. You don't have to make friends who are actually into this journey, who understand the struggle. They just have to be supportive. You just need a shoulder to
Right.
cry on. Okay, so
Exactly.
there were friends who were like, bro क्या करता रहता है ये वो इस तरह. So my goal was to make my parents proud, to make those people proud, like my brother, my sister, that actually helped me in my journey. So अगर
Mhm.
मेरे कंपनी के लोग, मेरे फ्रेंड्स उस गोल को अचीव करने के दरमियान में हडल हैं, तो so I had to cut them off. It wasn't difficult. It was so difficult in starting, but still I did that. And the people now I hang out with are few people, few cousins, my friends, my brother, like my saga bhai, and I found best friend in them. And a few other people like I hang out with on Zoom is Ubaid,
Mhm.
Amir, Osama,
Mhm.
Moin, Nasir bhai. All of them are entrepreneurs who are
Mhm.
like-minded people. So these are
Mhm.
how our
Mhm.
nights go. Like we usually connect on Zoom. We discuss ideas. We discuss our personal problems. So that's the friends you want, who are basically who can
Mhm.
support you, or who can understand you. So that's the friends
Right.
you have to have. और उसके अलावा अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स आपको कर रहे हैं, जर्नी में सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे, तो यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दे आर नॉट योर फ्रेंड्स. दे आर नॉट योर फ्रेंड. They don't want to see you successful. They are not your friends. It would be hard, but you have to cut them off.
Right. So, guys, I would like to say thank you to joining live. I can see some names out there. RJ Emma, the mentor.
Love you,
Nafeez
man.
Alam is here. Ubad Anjum, mentor. Chris
Love you,
Kaisar
everyone.
Ali, thank you, man.
Thank you so much, everyone,
Yeah,
for having
right.
for
Uh, Emmy Variety is also here. I can see her comment as well. Shoaib Nizamuddin, these are watching live. Muhammad Abdul Majid, right? So we are having a lot of people from across the globe. So it was really fun, and I really enjoyed and learned a lot of things from you. And definitely, uh, and to all of people who are listening, see this community that uh, we are building a community right now, and you can also be part of that. The basic, the advantage that you once you build a community, what happens is, see, I have some customer which Arshal doesn't know about, because these are my customers, my contacts. But now that I know that Arshal is doing Facebook marketing, and I know a lot of people that we can, if we work together, we can do a lot of business together. So this is the power of becoming a community, and becoming a part of the community. So guys, my advice: do not think short term. Go for the long term business. Go for the building relationship, building connection, and then offer your service. Don't sell anything. Offer a service. People will buy from you. People love. So Arsan, I really enjoyed. मुझे थोड़ा सा बस आखिर में ये बता दें कि जो फेसबुक के जो एल्गोरिथम अब चेंज हुए हैं, क्योंकि आई सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर सेइंग दैट यार मेरा ये पहले ऐड बड़ा अच्छा चल रहा था, अब जो है बैन हो
Mm-hmm.
गया। और
Mm-hmm.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर किए, बहुत सारी कम्युनिटीज पर बहुत सारे लोगों ने शेयर की कि यार ये मेरा बैन ऐड जो है वो बैन हो गया, आईडीज ब्लॉक हो गई। तो
Mm-hmm.
अब इस चैलेंज को क्या आपने किस तरह से को ओवरकम किया, और थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में बताएं कि ये जो चेंज आ रहा है उसके बाद उसको आप किस तरह से ओवरकम करते हैं।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कुछ बिजनेसेस हैं जो फेसबुक चाहता है कि मतलब फेसबुक प्रमोट नहीं करता। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द स्ट्रगल आई हैड विद एमएलएम बिजनेसेस। फेसबुक डोंट लाइक बिजनेसेस टू मेक मनी ऑनलाइन बिजनेसेस,
ओके।
सो उनको आप प्रमोट नहीं कर सकते। आई ट्राइड सो मच, लेकिन उस नीच के अंदर
हम्म।
आई डिडंट हैव प्रोग्रेस, मैं उनमें इतना परफॉर्म नहीं कर सका। First of all, so you have to understand what Facebook likes, what Facebook don't like. So your ad copy, your landing page, everything. Like if you know, if you're going through one funnel away challenge, you will know that Steve Larsen is king of MLM. He's promoting using Facebook. So there are few strategies
Yes.
that you have to understand. You have to model your business according to that. Let's say for MLM business, just a quick introduction. Like you can basically make a O2O page. You have to grab the email of the people. You can
हम्म।
then take them to a webinar page. On that webinar page, you have to basically make them understand the basics of your business. Then you can convert them on a call. That's how big names like Steve Larsen are doing. They have a team that is converting them, and other
हम्म।
MLM businesses are doing. So your Facebook, your landing pages should be according to that. के मतलब कि आप उसमें डायरेक्ट कुछ वो ना हो रही हो, क्योंकि फेसबुक क्लेम्स को भी नहीं पसंद करता। लाइक अगर आप क्लेम कर रहे हो यू विल मेक 6 फिगर्स इन नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स, तो फेसबुक वोंट अलाउ यू टू डू दैट। उसके अलावा फेसबुक और कुछ चीजें
ओके।
जैसे फिटनेस की नीश है, उसमें फेसबुक फेवरेट नहीं है फेसबुक का वो बिजनेसेस जो लोग कर रहे हैं। सो यू हैव टू मॉडल योर बिजनेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट। लाइक फेसबुक अगर अलाउ नहीं कर रहा तो क्या चीज फेसबुक अलाउ कर रहा है, हम उसके मुताबिक अपने बिजनेस को मोल्ड करके, अपने बिजनेस को डिजाइन करके, जैसे एमएलएम बिजनेस मैंने आपको बताया उस तरह से कर सकते हैं। कुछ बेसिक्स हैं लाइक हर बिजनेस में आप उस तरह कर सकते हो। तो so this is how you can do it. You have to model your business, you have to mold your business according to the requirement. फेसबुक क्या पसंद करता है उसके मुताबिक आप उसको कर सकते हैं। और जहां तक बेसिकली एड अकाउंट बंद होने की बात है, तो फेसबुक कैन मेरे अपने एड अकाउंट, मेरा अपना बिजनेस मैनेजर फेसबुक ने उड़ा दिया, अभी तक मुझे एक्सेस नहीं दी उन्होंने दोबारा। आई एम यूजिंग समवन एल्सेस बिजनेस मैनेजर टू डू ऑल ऑफ माय बिजनेस। सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज, वी हैव टू डील विद इट, वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट,
ओके।
और उसको बेसिकली लेके चलना है अपने साथ। क्योंकि these are the SOPs, like जैसे कोरोना वायरस के लिए, इससे we have to live according to that. So these are the things that we have to live according to that. We have to understand the SOPs of Facebook, and then we have to make our business work according to that.
ओके। ठीक है जी, जब ब्रश में जाएंगे तो फिर एसओपी जो आप मास्क लगा लेंगे, ठीक है, उसके बाद फिर हटा देंगे। ठीक है जी, अगर आईडी
जी जी।
ब्लॉक हो गई है कोई मसला नहीं है, नई आईडी बन जाती है। तो देयर इज ऑलवेज वर्क अराउंड। तो और जैसे
Just
जैसे
don't
नई
give up,
पॉलिसी
like
बनेगी, नए वर्क अराउंड भी बन जाते हैं। आप
जी जी।
डोंट गिव अप, अगर जैसे टिकटॉक बैन पाकिस्तान में हो गया है, तो पीपल आर स्टिल यूजिंग, आई स्टिल गेट लॉट ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन कि यार फलाना बंदे ने वो वीडियो अपलोड कर दिए। मैं यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन वो मेरे पास नोटिफिकेशन आती है कि यार ये अली ने जो है वो आज वीडियो अपलोड करी है। वो कैसे करी है? आई थिंक वीपीएन, दे आर यूजिंग वीपीएन, राइट?
They're
So there
using
is
VPN,
always a
yes.
workaround. Technology जो है वो there is always they'll
Mm-hmm.
provide you option to do anything. Guys, this
Absolutely.
was our first interview because मैं definitely अपने अरसल जावेद को जो है मैं I'll become part of our next Facebook live और मैं नहीं चाह रहा कि हम इसको यहीं पे discontinue करें, but I will have to say to end this, or I would like to say thank you, Arsal Javed, thank you all of you guys who tune in live, और जितने लोगों ने भी इस मैसेज को सुना। एंड एंड में एक मैसेज ऑफ द डे, अब एक कोई दिल की बात होती है, कितना जो अपना कहते हैं से योर हार्ट आउट, वो कोई
Mm-hmm.
बात ऐसी करें कि यार जो लोगों के दिल में लगे और लोग जो है वो एक अपने एक रूटीन से हटके थोड़ा डिफरेंट सोचने की कोशिश करें।
ओके, सो स्पेशली आज मैंने टी शर्ट पहनी इंटरव्यू के लिए। इस पे लिखा हुआ है आवर आईज आर प्लेस्ड इन फ्रंट बिकॉज इट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट टू लुक एट फ्रंट देन टू लुक एट बैक। सो आई जस्ट वॉर दिस टी शर्ट फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू। और मैं लोगों को यही एंड में बोलना चाहता हूँ कि गाइस, जो आपने फ्यूचर में पास्ट में मिस्टेक्स किए हैं, learn from them and basically try to become better version of yourself. Just don't give up. uh, आप अपनी एफर्ट दें, आपको रिजल्ट आएगा, जरूर आएगा। अपनी एफर्ट दें, उसके बाद खुदा पे छोड़ दें, और
बिल्कुल,
लाइक यू विल गेट रिजल्ट, नॉट इमीडिएटली बट एब्सोल्युटली।
इंशाल्लाह। और मेरी जो आज टी शर्ट है वो बेसिकली मुझे मिली नहीं, लैपटॉप सीओ वाली, तो मैंने आज ये चेक जो ऑफिस में पहन के गया था उसी से काम चला लिया। बिकॉज कोई भी बॉटल नेक नहीं आना चाहिए। अगर कोई कोई भी चीज़ परफेक्ट नहीं होती, ठीक है, यू हैव टू लिव विद दिस,
एब्सोल्युटली।
और this is how it is. Thank you so much, guys. It was a wonderful session with Arsal Javed. Hope you guys have enjoyed this session. और definitely अब next किसी और के साथ हम definitely एक ज़रूर session रखेंगे। और thank you so much. All the best. Bye bye.
थैंक यू
Allah
सो
Hafiz.
मच।